afternoon, YouTube. It is, well, good night, I should say. It's 9:48, Sunday, February 18th here, and like I said, we're going to be replacing my passenger side mirror. This will be good for a 94 to 02 Dodge 1500, 2500, and 3500. Non-power mirror, there you go. Caught of a street sign when I was parallel parking in town, and that's why I don't go in town much. But so pretty simple install. We're gonna have to pull the inside door panel. There's gonna be 3 studs that hold the mirror through a metal bracket to the inside of the truck that have 3 nuts on them. So pretty simple. No power mirrors. It is a power mirror truck, but the mirrors my brother bought for me a couple years back for Christmas are non-power, so we just went with the same non-power mirror. I opened it once already just to make sure everything was good when it came a couple days ago. So here's that metal plate I was talking about. The 3 studs that go into the mirror and the 3 nuts that go on the inside of the truck. Pull this out for you so you can see. There it is. Passenger side mirror. Yeah, it's gonna look a lot better. So first thing we're gonna do is pull the door panel from the inside and start loosening the old mirror and get that out of there. So far I see 3 Phillips head screws. We got one there, and one up here. So we're going to remove those here soon. So we got these 3 loose. Now as you can see, there's going to be these plastic little clips. Right there you can kind of see it. Little plastic clips that push into the door panel, so we're going to get that out. They go a little hard. So now that we have them all popped off, we're going to lift it out of there and feed it out through here on an angle. Now that that's off, you can see if your truck is a power truck, it will have a plug here. So here's the lock and the window button. But so that unplugs. See, now if you had power mirrors, it would go into this 5-prong plug right here. The little runs up out through that little thing out to the mirror. But since we don't have those, we don't have to worry about that. So we're going to take these off right here. So it is a 10mm, so we're going to start taking these off. That'll be easier to do this with one person. So there it is. Out with the old. Race truck. So just for shits and giggle, I got a stud from the new mirror, and I'm gonna pull one of the old ones out and compare it to it, because check this out. See this mark right here? Well, that's from this stud right here being too long and pushing against it and putting stress on it, which it didn't crack it, but when you push on old plastic like that, you can tell it leaves a mark. So we're gonna check that out to make sure when we install the new one that it doesn't break through. So they are the same. The silver one's from the new mirror, the gold one's from the old mirror. So maybe we'll take a hacksaw to it and cut it down a little bit so we don't have this trouble. As we do prepare the mirror to go on the new mirror to go on the truck, we are going to tighten these as far as we can with my finger. So now we got those all tightened up. Let's go get it up to the truck. Got the new bracket here, the new mirror. We'll come back for the nuts. Now that's just put on loosely, you can see here. Come down here. See, the problem that I was running into, I was having some difficulty is, one, this makes it a pain in the ass. Two, this trim right here. You can see how it moves a little bit. About it, so then, see this little dimple here? I got these to pretty much go out flat. So they're definitely in there good. Check the fitment one last time before we call it a day. Fits the body line pretty good, not much sticking out anywhere. I'm not too happy with this right here. Right there. Fitment could be a little bit better, but let's get the panel back up on and see how she looks. one. There's two. Make sure they're all lined up nicely. Tools for this job would be a big flat head for popping the rivets out easier, a medium-sized Phillips head, a 10mm ratcheter wrench preferably. It's pretty nice. I did not have one. An adjustable to tighten the studs on here, and that's it. 20 minutes later, we're done. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. Everybody would rather be installing performance parts, but there's stuff that comes up and you just got to get it done. It does look funny. Check out the mud on the mirror here. Oh. Clean as can be. So that's going to do it for this video. Big plans for this truck coming up, so stay tuned. I'll be explaining those in a video later this week. So that's it, pretty much. Look at that nice hole in the bed. Hey, there's my old mirror. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. Stay tuned. I just hit 1,200 subscribers, so we're going to keep going up from here. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and press that notification bell. Help this channel grow. I do have big news coming up here soon, so stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye, YouTube.